I put my hairpiece in and you saw how simple that was to do. Now I use my Imagine hairbrush, which I love because it's gentle on the hair. It's short hair anyway because it's real hair. And what I do is I literally am able to play with my hair and even my regular natural hair, because this is also natural, and get the height and what I need. If I choose to go like this, I could do that. If I choose to go like this, I could choose to do this, choose to do this, and then gently and slowly get it down. So this brush is amazing, and I would definitely buy it. And oh, I have it. I bought it, and I love it. I love it for all my hair, and it's actually really healthy for your hair because of the way the wiring is. It's a very gentle wiring. So what it does, it doesn't pull on your hair, and it doesn't pull on the piece you're putting into your hair. So your hair is not going anywhere. It's staying. So that's what it looks like after playing with the brush just a little bit. You don't even need too much.